What? Everything. Everything. What? I don't understand. Is this like a game to you? Like putting stuff that don't belong in the fridge in the fridge? It's just a bookcase. It's just like a... What? Solid collection of books though, I can tell you, like this. Musashi, huh? Oh my god, it's Detective Conan. It's Detective Conan. This is also Detective Conan, I think. This is also Detective Conan. Yeah, this is the... Oh my god, see? Oh my gosh. My fridge, this is my Detective Conan version, section of my fridge. This is my Musashi section of my fridge. This is my drawing supplies portion of my fridge. This is assorted. Assorted. Yeah. Interesting, though. I appreciate it. Cool collection. I'm gonna eat jelly. Ow.